In this video, you will learn how to fix your Binance verification failed. First, check your personal information. Make sure your name, date of birth, country exactly match the details of your official ID. Use a government issued ID. Upload a clear, unexpired government issued ID, such as a driving license or passport, that is accepted in your country. Take a clear selfie. Follow the selfie instructions carefully to make sure your face is well lit, clearly visible and not blurry at all. Avoid filters and edits. Do not use photo filters and make edits in your own image you upload. This can cause automatic rejection. Retry with better lighting and a better camera. If you're rejected, try again using a different device or even better lighting to ensure your documents are fully readable. Wait and check your emails. Sometimes the verification can take a few hours. Wait for a status update or email Binance directly and explain what went wrong. Contact Binance support. If it keeps failing, try to reach out to Binance customer support through the help center for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.